Hey everyone, Dr. Aric here. I want to speak into the mechanism that contributes to ADHD, especially this time of year, back to school season already. Can't believe we're at that time of the year, summer's over. But I do want to speak into this because this is something that we see so often in kids and adults alone. And of course, we're going to start with the gut. Now you see a healthy gut here versus what we would call a leaky gut, where you start to see that separation in the gut lining, those cracks, holes, those slits. And when you start to see particles of food, undigested food, bacteria, lipopolysaccharides, dangerous things, inflammation seeping through that gut, and that floods what we call your gut-brain axis. And that causes a lot of damage and issues to your actual brain. Now, you combine that to also a loss of nutrients and supplementation that our bodies need for our brain health and the ability to focus. You combine those two things, you start to get the mechanism of ADHD begin. You see a loss of dopamine, which is a neurotransmitter which allows us to focus, have attention, concentrate. We start to lose that along with an increase of neuroinflammation. And neuroinflammation is an inflammation that's become dangerous to the brain. Now, why do we care about the gut in this situation? Well, a supplement called B12. And that's not just a vitamin that comes out of a supplement. The vitamin B12 is actually produced in your gut, the cells in your gut. And what B12 helps with, B12 helps our body actually be able to use that dopamine. So if our gut's struggling, if we have leaky gut, that means our B12 is not going to function properly. We're going to start to lose our dopamine, lose our ability to focus and have concentration. You see neuroinflammation continue to climb. That could even lead to mood swings, things of that nature. So when we look at ADHD and some of the mechanisms of it, it is going to start in the gut, and here's the reasons why. And the good thing of knowing that is now we can start to address it and improve those with ADHD or attention, focus, concentration, things of those nature.